We'll guide you through how to review Calendly on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Code Site Actions menu on the left side panel and select Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor where you can make changes to your website. Now, you need to check if Calendly is already integrated into your site. Look for the Calendly widget on your page. It might be on your homepage or a specific booking page you've set up. If you don't see it, you might need to add it first. To do this, click on the Add button on the left-hand side, then go to More and select the Embeds option. From here, you can choose HTML iframe to embed your Calendly link. Paste your Calendly URL into the iframe settings. If Calendly is already on your site, you can review its settings by clicking on the Calendly widget directly. This will open the settings panel where you can adjust the size, style, and other display options to fit the look of your site. Make sure to click Save after making any changes. Then, use the Preview button to see how it looks on your live site. This is a great way to ensure everything appears correctly and functions as expected. If you encounter any issues, double-check your Calendly link to make sure it's active and not expired. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Publish to make your changes live on your site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.